She sent you away.
You didn't have to do that.
I didn't do anything, I just told the truth, loudly.
You embarrassed her.
You embarrassed her when you brought me into her life without warning.
Why now, Zara?
Because you were moving on, and you didn't even look back. Do you know how it feels to watch the man you love build a future that doesn't include you?
We ended things.
You paused them.
I love her.
I know, but you don't love her the way you love me.
Don't do this.
I didn't come to beg, I came to remind you. When you can't sleep, when you doubt yourself, who do you call? Say it. With her, you're calm, but with me, you're alive.
Alive shouldn't cost this
Then
much.
choose your peace, but don't pretend I didn't matter.
You mattered too much.
You'll come back.
I don't want to.
That's how I know you will.